Ordering a hormone treatment from a flashy internet ad is not the same as buying a new pair of shoes. When you click that order button for a peptide like sermorelin, you are making a decision that impacts your internal chemistry. It is vital to separate the science of the substance from the business practices of the company shipping it to your door. Let's get one thing clear right away. Sermorelin itself is a legitimate compound. It is a peptide that has been used in medical circles for years to help people whose bodies do not produce enough growth hormone on their own. It works by sending a signal to your pituitary gland, essentially giving it a gentle nudge to start producing more of its own natural supply. When used under the careful watch of a doctor, it can help with things like deeper sleep, better recovery after a workout, and even improvements in body composition over time. But the internet has taken this clinical tool and turned it into a consumer product, and that is where the danger starts to creep in. The first major problem is how the product is delivered. Your digestive system is incredibly efficient at breaking down proteins and peptides. If you are buying a version that comes as a pill, a liquid drop, or a spray you put under your tongue, you are likely throwing your money away. The stomach just sees those as food and dissolves them before they can ever do their job. Clinical research shows that injections are really the only way to ensure the peptide actually reaches your bloodstream. Even if you are comfortable with that, you have to look at the service provider itself. There is a disturbing pattern of complaints surrounding this specific brand that goes far beyond the product. We are talking about major red flags like unauthorized credit card charges and subscriptions that feel impossible to cancel. People have reported being charged for refills they never asked for and struggling to get anyone on the phone to fix the issue. Then there is the matter of how the product is handled. These peptides are delicate. They are sensitive to light and heat. If they are not shipped in a temperature-controlled environment, they can degrade before they even reach your porch. Some customers have reported receiving packages that were poorly insulated or sat in hot delivery trucks for days. At that point, you might be injecting something that is no longer effective. You also have to consider the medical oversight. A quick online form is not a replacement for a real doctor. Hormone therapy should involve actual blood tests and ongoing monitoring to make sure your levels are safe. Without that, you risk side effects like water retention or persistent headaches. The marketing makes it sound like a fountain of youth that can reverse aging overnight, but the reality is much more complicated. This compound is not a miracle cure for every guy who feels a little tired. It is a serious medical tool that requires a high level of trust in the provider. When a company struggles with basic customer service and shipping quality, that trust disappears. If you want to explore this path, you should talk to a local professional you can see in person. Do not let a slit advertisement talk you into a subscription that might lead to more headaches than health benefits. Your biology is far too important to gamble on a service that prioritizes recurring billing over patient care.